Welcome to the Patika Robotics Autonomous Basket Transfer System. The process begins as a new transport task is created through the operator interface. Once created, the fleet management software automatically assigns the task to the most suitable robot, which then moves toward the first station. At the CNC station, the robot collects processed extrusion profiles placed on a transport trolley and heads toward the deburring area for delivery. The trolley is delivered precisely to the deburring area for the next stage of processing. After the processed material is taken, the CNC requests a new batch. The fleet management software identifies the required material in the buffer stock area and dispatches an available robot. The robot retrieves the material and delivers it to the CNC, maintaining a continuous, efficient, and fully automated production flow.